In this video, I will show you how to download and set up Anaconda Python on Windows 10 or 11. Firstly, we don't need to install Python separately, it's installed with Anaconda. I will leave link to download Anaconda in description, or you can go to Google and search for Anaconda and click on first link. An official Anaconda website, click on free download in top right. Now click on green download button. It will automatically select option for your operation system. If Chrome block download, just click on download pop-up and select download unverified file. File is over 1 gig, so download will take a while. After downloading is completed, you need to click on downloaded installer file and start installation process. We have simple Windows installation process. Press next, then agree with terms. Now select if you want to install Anaconda just for your user or for all users and click next. Select folder where you want to install and press next. Now you can select additional options, but I will leave default options and press install. Installation process will be long. You can see what's going on by clicking on show details. When installation completed, press next and finish. First time loading will take some time. When it's open, just agree with pop-ups and now you can register, but you can use Anaconda without it. So as you can see, we have Anaconda installed in our machine. We can open Jupyter Labs and write some code. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.